Hello, welcome back to Uncle Buck's Garage. Today is a very special day for me. Well, this week is a very special week for me because it's my birthday. And my wife just got me a present, just got delivered, and it's a home run. Let me show you. Gentlemen, I've been wanting one of these for a long time. This is one of those DeWalt 20 volt power washers. And she's all there and a biscuit. I have been wanting one of these, yes, for a long time, and we are going to test it out and use it. All right, now that is the turbo, which is supposed to be the most powerful one, on low. So let's go high and see what happens. All right, let's try the skin peeler. So it's very simple. You just pop it off and pop the new one on. And it says, let's see if that works. All right, so you can just twist it. Guys, if you're here, like, share, and subscribe, hit that bell, hit that like button, smash that like button, because that helps out with YouTube's algorithm. All right. Let's try the green one. All right, let's try the white one, see what it does. Oh, okay, I get it. Okay, I just got done using it for about 45 minutes, and the verdict is in. This is a, yes, as you can see, I got dirty, but this is a thumbs up. What you get with the kit, you get the machine itself, and the battery goes in that, the battery goes here, slides in there. Now a 5 amp battery, a 20 volt 5 amp battery is going to last about 22 minutes. All right, and I would suggest for car use, what color is that? Because it comes with 3 different colors. It comes with green, white, and orange. Okay, so the white one is the least abrasive, the green is in between, and the orange one is in between. Now this one This is like an oscillating, you can hear it. It just oscillates inside there and just makes this little cone shape, which, you know, for just general purpose is good. You get a hose for using in a bucket. That is a filter, and that's a bobber or a floater for in a bucket to use to mix up your soap and run it through the machine. You also get this as your attachment for the garden hose. So you just screw that on the garden hose and you click that on it goes, boom, bam. That doesn't leak. That doesn't leak. The only thing that was leaking on me was my garden hose. All right, gentlemen, I gotta say that this is one hell of a tool. Ran it for 45 minutes, 2 batteries, about 22, 23 minutes a piece. It will strip, it will wash, it will clean, whatever you want to use it on, from the Cadillac to the frame rail, it will work. And it's good and powerful. It's a little heavy, you know, but I ran that straight for 45 minutes and it never gave up an inch, never really got warm. I tried all the different tips. They all work. They all have different purposes, but all in all, because my wife got that for my birthday and it was on sale, $139 I think, and she got it through Amazon. There'll be a link down below. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell, smash that like button, and y'all have a great day. Because a great day today can be in a cleaner car tomorrow. Y'all be good.